So hello guys, so this is the second video of our alarm app, okay, and in this video we will learn how we can connect the all component. Okay, so let me just show you what the component we needed to create this alarm, okay, fire alarm app. So as you can see, we needed first the Arduino Uno, okay, that's the important part. Second part, we needed this the flame detector, fire detector. This is the sensor. This is called flame module, okay, flame sensor. And third, we needed Bluetooth module. It's important. This is called SC05, and we need one cable, okay, that can connect our Arduino with any USB port, like any laptop or any power bank. And we need some jumble wire, male to female, okay, and we need one Android phone. So how we can connect this, let me just show you. So as you can see, first of all, we need to connect this cable with our Arduino like this, okay, and the second part we can connect anywhere like power bank or something, okay. And now let me just show you how we can connect the jumble wire. So as you can see here, we have the 4 jumble wire here. So first we will connect the Bluetooth module. So first of all, we need to just connect all these 4, okay, cable. So first let's do one by one. So this is the blue one. I will connect with the another one is 5 volt, okay, this one, okay, 5 volt. So this blue one should go to the board. So as you can see in the Arduino, you will find here the 5 volt or 3.25 volt. There's 2 options, okay, here in this plate, okay. So I'm going to connect this with the 5 volt blue mode, okay. Second is a green cable, okay, sorry, orange, or which one, green. So let me just try green. So I will connect that green in the Bluetooth module with ZND. It means ground, like this, okay, ground, okay. And it means I have to connect that green, this one, with my ground. So how can I do this? So it's just a simple, as you can see here, there is one 5 volt. After this, there is one ZND option, ground. So I have to connect this ground. Now I have 2 cables, and as you can see here in this Bluetooth module, you will find the 2 is remaining, it's TX and RX, okay. So what we need to do in the third option is here is a TX itself. So we need to connect that TX to the RX. Make sure this should be like RX to TX, TX to RX, okay. So here you can see the TX. So I just need to connect that TX. It means the yellow one should be RX, TX to RX. As you can see here is the RX value. I don't know you can see this or not, okay. These are the values, okay. And this one is again to the TX, because we have to connect another one. It means this one with the RX, and let's connect it. Done. So it's done, okay. Now we need to connect this one module also, okay. So let me just turn my phone like this, so you can see the proper thing. As you can see here, this is, so we need 3 more jumble wires, okay. So I have 3 jumble wires. So first I will connect this one with the VCC. VCC means, as you can see, there is a VCC we can connect with 3.3 volt here in Arduino Uno, one, and another one is, okay, I need a jumble wire, male to female, and another one I'm going to connect with ZND. So ZND is always goes to the ZND. It means ground to ground, okay. Here's one ground option also. There's a ground, okay. And this again one, we need one more jumble wire, and that is goes to the last one is called DO. DO means digital output, okay. This is the output, okay. So output is goes to the, as you will find in the Uno, there is one digital pin near RX, okay. So we have to connect in the 2 point of digital. So there is a second number after TX. Connect with this, like this. Now let me just connect that USB port with anything, okay, of my USB. So this will connect. So as you can see here, all these are just connected right now. As you can see, this one is blinking, Bluetooth is also blinking. This is blinking very fast. It means this Bluetooth is not connected from our mobile right now, till now. And this is our flame sensor. So we have the setup is ready, but in the next video we will write a code for Arduino. But make sure before uploading the code, we have to remove that TX and RX cable, okay, before uploading. And after uploading the code in the Arduino, we'll connect this again, okay. So in the next video we will learn how we can write a code for Arduino, and we'll run our app. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.